Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today I'm gonna show you a video of making a Jeep 93 Jeep Cherokee camper. I decided to put the solar panel. I got it for free. So the reason is I wanted to have a refurge in the car, but the battery of the original car is not really strong enough to drive the refrige all the time. So I hope the solar panel will charge the external battery, additional battery, and run the refrige for 24 hours. So this is how we went. Okay, this is the solar panel I got, and this is single crystal silicon solar panel. So it's higher efficiency than the polycrystalline solar panel. That's great. And these are the ports I got. And this is another key component that the battery. But as you notice, I just tipped over, and this is the gel battery. It's actually a lead battery, lead acid battery, but the electrolyte is the gel, not the sulfuric acid liquid. So you can actually use that sideways. So that's a great thing, because when I was selecting the batteries, I noticed that most of the batteries are really tall. So since my space is really limited, so I wanted to use the battery sideways, and I contacted to the company, the Renogy. That's the small business, I think. That's a nice company, and they answered that this gel battery, you can use that sideways. And also another good point of this battery is the hydrogen gas does not come out from the battery. So if you use the standard or the lead acid battery, when the battery is charging, hydrogen gas gonna come out, but you don't want to have the hydrogen gas in the cabin. So that's another reason why I chose this gel battery. And other thing is the solar charger and the additional ammeter and the small components like 12 volts plugs, and also the some fuses. So I'm gonna start assembling them. So I put the panel on the roof carrier, and as you see, the length of the panel is longer, and also the panel is relatively heavy. So I'm thinking about removing the aluminum frame. So I blocked the edge like this, and looks like there's a glue or the silicone, probably silicone glue here, and it's I believe glued all the way around. So I'll try to remove the side edge. So I removed the edge of the frame, and as you can see, there's a glue all around. Other side has a back plate, and so I guess the back plate is holding the outer frame with glue, the panel with glue. So it's still not really wiggly at all, so it's really robust. So I have to remove this guy. Yeah, I got one. Okay, I ended up removing entire this frame. When I removed the side frame, the top and bottom frame got really loose, and that was basically fixed by the glue. So I ended up removing all. So made this cap for the terminal block. The lid was missing, so I made it. So this is the rubber seal. Okay, I put the rubber seal all around, so I'm gonna just wait for the silicone to dry up, and it's gonna be ready to be put on the roof. So I decided to put the battery here. This is relatively large, but great thing about this gel battery is I can place it sideways and there's no leak or acid leak. But in case of the crack of the this outer shell, I just put this in the container, secondary container, and this container is actually secured with this the rope. This is the circuit diagram. So from the solar panel, I will put the 15 amps fuse, and they go to the charger, and from charger they go into the battery through the 15 amps fuse and the amp meter, and from the charger I gonna put the load through 10 amps fuse. Okay, now I got the 6 studs, so I'm gonna mount the solar panel on top of it. Okay, I'm gonna use this guy as a underliner. And now the panel is on top of the roof. So this is how I clamp down the panel. The shadow created by these tubings, but I think that is minimum, so I think I will take it. Okay, now the panel is mounted, so all I have to do is connect the electric. Okay, so this is wiring. So I'll probably put some glue here. It goes down here and introduce from here. And after that, I'm gonna go inside and connect to the controller. Okay, now I connected the battery to the system. Okay, all the wires are connected. So I'm gonna put it's already showed the 12.9 volts of the battery, but I'm gonna put the fuse to the solar panel so that they check if this start to charge. Okay, now it's charging. Nice. So I think now the camper is ready for the refresh. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.